The 5 musts to creating sustainable exercise. The first one, okay, off you go, is exercise must be planned. In our everyday life, we've got lots of things that we have to fit into our daily, weekly schedule. You know, whether they be family commitments, work commitments, study commitments. Exercise needs to be one of those things that's also prioritised into your daily or weekly schedule. Exercise must be fun. I think the biggest problem people make with exercise is they do it because they think they have to. You go to the gym day in, day out, doing different exercises that you don't necessarily enjoy. It's only a matter of time before you lose interest and motivation and don't continue. Really, really important that anything you do at the gym, or not the gym, in your natural surrounding, whatever it is something that you enjoy doing. It's what you enjoy. If you enjoy kayaking, if you enjoy running, if you enjoy walking, yoga, Zumba, no matter what it is, if you enjoy a certain exercise, that exercise needs to form part of what your weekly, monthly exercise training schedule is. Okay.